Today, it's Filipino bali. Of course, it's Sunday. I'm not feeling sausage. This is weather. See? Chicken in the sun. All in the sun. I think this is cooked already. My barbecue. Chicken in the sun. Chicken a la Arabella. Ganda ng kulay, no? So it's Sunday and it's chicken asal day. The nice weather. Ang garden ko. Happy Sunday. For lunch.